So first we started one more interesting thing for you, that nearly 70% of all the sensory receptors in your whole body are in your eyes. So that much sensitive organ, or you can say that important organ for body, you can say that the eyes are, okay, it has a 70% sensory receptor in it. So this is the just brief knowledge for you. And when we talk about its structure, okay, first we talk about the outer structure only. Okay, it has eyelid. Okay, these are the outermost structure which you've seen already. Okay, and pupil, okay, innermost part, and it is a structure like this. And scleria, okay, scleria is the whitest part of that art. And iris, which is the color part, okay, which you said that these his eyes are black in color, is brown, and sometimes blue eyes also found. Okay, this color is mainly, if you see in Indians, it is uh, black and brown only. But sometimes it's due to genetic, because these are the color of eyes also genetic, so it depends on the genetic characters. Okay, so if you see mainly structure of eye, and this type of structure you find. Okay, lacrimal glands and other things you read about in your book also. Okay, these are present on the lateral aspects of eye. Okay, these are mainly which secretions. Okay, lacrimal glands might secrete, they are called as tears. Okay, so sometimes questions may be asked. So when we talk about the mainly cross section of a human eye, it looks like this. Okay, in your book also given. Okay, so these type of structures you have to understand. Okay, the firstmost part, if you talk about the outermost part, it's sclera. Okay, after that it also covered by a conjunctiva. Okay, sometime you hear about the disease also. Okay, conjunctivitis. Okay, it is due to the some infection or something in your eyes. Okay, some hurting if you're in conjunctiva, so it is called conjunctivitis. Okay, so mainly I'm going to the different parts. Okay, the figure also given in your book also, you can see it well. Then I'm talking about the parts. Okay, first part is scleria. Okay, it is the outermost part of the eyes. Okay, then conjunctiva is found. Okay, which covers or protects this sclera. Okay, and cornea, main organ is found, main part you can say of eye is cornea. Okay, which covers our pupil and iris. Okay, which we see in structure also. And choroid. Okay, choroid also found in your structure, if you see in the structure. Okay, so these are the blood vessels for nourishment, which provide nourishment to our eyes. And iris is colored part. Okay, it can be any type of color, I already told about you. Then pupil is the aperture at the center of iris. Okay, so if definition is come, what you say that what is the pupil, it is the aperture at the center of iris. Then there are ciliary muscles. Okay, ciliary muscles are, what are the function of that, they hold iris in place. Okay, they have the, if you can say that, thread like structure. Okay, which just hold that iris in its own place. Okay, lens are by convex lenses are found. Okay, in our eyes. Okay, in I think physics also you have read about the concave convex lenses, etc things. Okay, so you already understand the by convex also, if about its structure. So one main other thing is coming, retina. Okay, so retina is the innermost and light sensitive layer. Okay, it consists photoreceptor cells. Okay, you have to read about the rods and cones. Okay, so rods and cones, do two terms are there. Okay, rod and cone. Okay, so mainly rods are the structure which are responsible for the sensitivity to the light. Okay, when you go outside, okay, your eyes are become somehow shrink. Okay, when you come inside or go to the darker room, your pupil will be get flattened. Okay, this is why this is the done by the rods. Okay, if you not read, when you start reading you will understand well. So these are the main function of rods. Okay, one rhodopsin is found in them. Okay, sometime question also ask rhodopsin found in rods. And there is many confusion in students to understand the rods and cones. Okay, when we talk about the rods, it related to the sunlight. Okay, And cons, as the name says, C for color. Okay, it is related to our color vision. Okay, whatever things been seen in their actual color form, it is related to the cons. Okay, so this is the difference between pros and cons, and sometimes asking in exam also. Yellow spot is the area of best vision. Okay, yellow spot is called when you see the things are in its best way, or your vision is more clear in that spot. Okay, blind spot, where you see no vision. Okay, there is a place in our eye also. If you see the structure, okay, it is called as a blind spot. Okay, due to short time I am not able to discuss you more thing. Okay, so there is somehow here. Okay, uh, it is called, this is the optic nerve here. Okay, where this is a place where uh, we cannot see any object, anything. Okay, this is called a blind spot, or other name, main name is called optic disc. Okay, in science if you talk, it is called as optic disc. Okay, nowadays you, if you like cricket, and you see that Indian are very much leaving the catches. Okay, so this is the blind spot which come when they try to just hold the ball in front of their head. Okay, so a blind spot is coming. Sometime you say that they are not seeing the ball. Okay, so that's why it is come in place. Then uh, aqueous humor. Okay, aqueous humor also found. Okay, which give nourishment to our lenses. Okay, in our lenses, it gives nourishment to our lens. Okay, and vitreous humors hold spherical shape of the eyeball. Okay, you know that our eyeball of spherical shape, so this is the vitreous humor which helps it. Okay, mainly asked or not asked, but it just kept in your mind. And one more thing is that what are the mechanism of, okay, how can we see the structures, okay, mechanism of eye. So mainly these are the different parts which we already discussed. Okay, so what it actually happen, okay, in the retina, suppose this is a leaf. Okay, and it make a inverted image. Okay, our lens, what we do, our lens is fixed on that vision region, fixed it, and in the, if you say that in the fovea region. Okay, when you read through the this book, read from book, you can understand well. Okay, it gets inverted image of that. Okay, so our mind, whatever things we see in the right shape, it is in the, right shape, it is due to our mind. Okay, that's why we see these objects upright. Okay, sometimes the question also asked. Okay, so the our lens is like that, it makes always the inverted image of any object when we see the its original form. Okay, it due to our mind only. Okay, so this is the mainly phenomena, if you say that how our eye works. Okay, so there are, if you say that working of the eye and image formation, in this way you have to understand. Okay, if the time is coming, and if uh, classes has to be scheduled, okay, then I will go through in detail according to the previous questions and etc.